Globalization in the apparel industry is at a crossroads, and it's fascinating to see how it's evolving. The pandemic has really opened our eyes to the vulnerabilities of complex global supply chains. Many companies are now considering nearshoring or reshoring, which means they're looking to bring production closer to home. This shift not only helps them respond more quickly to market demands, but also builds resilience against future disruptions. But it's not just about logistics. There's a growing awareness among consumers, especially younger generations, who are more socially and environmentally conscious than ever before. They're demanding transparency from brands. They want to know where their clothes come from, how workers are treated, and what impact production has on the environment. This shift in consumer behavior is putting immense pressure on the entire clothing sector to adapt and respond. Companies that prioritize ethical practices and sustainability are likely to thrive. Those that ignore these changes risk backlash from consumers, advocacy groups, and even governments. It's a wake-up call for brands to embrace social responsibility. The competition is fierce, and it's no longer just about style or price. It's about values. Collaboration is key. Governments, NGOs, labor unions, and businesses must work together to tackle significant issues like labor rights and environmental protection. Each stakeholder has a role to play. Governments can set the guidelines, brands need to adopt responsible practices, and consumers must engage in mindful consumption. The fashion industry creates jobs and drives economic growth, but also faces serious challenges. We need to address employee health and safety, ensure fair wages, and consider the environmental impact of our choices. By prioritizing these issues, we can pave the way for a more equitable and sustainable form of globalization. As we look ahead, it's clear that the future of apparel globalization will be shaped by those who are willing to adapt, innovate, and take responsibility. The stakes are high, but the potential for positive change is even higher. It's an exciting time to be part of this transformation.